Welcome to instructions on how to use this bread knife. Firstly, to remove the cover, simply grab the cover and slide it back up and off. To put it back on, you rest it down on the back of the blade and slide it back on. Now, to cut a nice thick slice of bread, place it on there, straight down. A nice sawing action, and there's a nice slice of bread. Now you can do a thin slice without squashing the loaf of bread. Simply again, and there you have a real thin slice of bread. Also, to cut a nice thin slice of lime for your cocktail. Simple as that. And tomatoes, they're always very difficult to have a nice thin slice because they want to squash it. It's as simple as that. Enjoy your new knife.